Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I'm back with another video.
I'm also my grandmother. I can't wait for when I come there, her and be like, "What's this?" I say, "My auntie."
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
Today has been a stressful day, y'all, but alhamdulillah for everything. I'm here making another video for you guys. Yeah, I don't even want to get into it, but today is going to be a good video. Why do you ask? It's like, because I am making a boys theme case, you guys, which means there won't be any rhinestones involved. The pieces that I'll be working with today are these beauties. If you know, you know. I don't know if I have to cover these things up, but probably because of the symbol and whatever. But you guys, listen, I don't got time for it. I don't even feel like it. But as you can see, it's a boys phone theme case today, and I was waiting on a few pieces. So alhamdulillah, they came today. So I figured I'll just finish them and, you know, just get this one out the way. This one will probably take longer than any of my other cases because I will be sealing this phone case with resin. Yes, he will not be getting any rhinestones on here, obviously, because, you know, rhinestones and bling is mainly like, you know, for girls. There are times I might insert a picture where I did a cell phone case, but I only used black stones and I didn't bling out the full case. I just blinged like around the pictures or put like black rhinestones around the pictures. So, yeah, I don't think a boy would really want a bling case. And if anything, he probably would want like glass stones, but I don't even know how that would look. I think that would look like too flashy as well. So these are the pieces that I'll be working with. I'm so excited because I can't wait to see how this one will turn out. This will be my first time using resin on a cell phone case. So, yeah, let's just go ahead and just start, you know, place. You know what am I about to do? I'm about to start gluing down when I don't even have anything set yet. Like, what am I? Y'all, that's how y'all know today was a crazy day. But like I said, alhamdulillah for everything. So let's just go ahead and just place the pieces. So, obviously, like I said, boy theme case, I want to fit as many pieces as possible. Unlike the girl cases, I, you know, try to spread out the pieces and stuff like that. But of course, y'all know I like to make it make sense because y'all know how I am. So, we're going to go ahead and do so. So, I'm thinking about like something like that, which is cute. And I can just put hustle because, you know, not only are you hustling when you're playing basketball, but you got to hustle to get that money. So, I can be like, yo, I don't know. Listen, like I said, today was a stressful day. This is another laser cut, so I don't want to put laser cut on top of laser cut, which is just a Hustle King. Ooh, Hustle King. That's cute. That's real cute. I like that. Let's go ahead and put the football right there. I don't want to put black under black. This is his name. I don't want to put that over there. We're going to put this right here at the bottom. Let's put... Okay. So... All right, let's switch this up a little bit, y'all. So we're going to go ahead and put the basketball right there. Let's put his face. I don't want to put that right there because this is basketball. I really don't have to put the hustle right there, but I want to put another laser cut. So if I do anything, I could take that out. I can put the Nike sign. King, that his name, but his name is kind of it's like black, it's like a gunmetal, and this is gunmetal as well, so I don't want to put those next to each other. So let's see, I really want to put this hustle on here because this hustle will make sense, like hustle and then the word king underneath it. Y'all get what I'm saying? And I also got to put that. So I want to put these three pieces. Okay, I don't have to put, well, it was just in case I needed to, but I think the red will go good because I got red and then black. So let's try to see how we're going to make this work. Okay, you guys, I think I'm feeling this. Let's go ahead and glue these pieces. Okay, you guys, just like that, I am finished. I'm gonna go ahead and let these pieces dry. I was thinking about adding something else, but I don't think I will. Y'all, that's just the designer in me. But I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry, and then I'm gonna add the resin. See how it looks when it's finished. Can't wait to see how this. I'm really excited about this. Like, I'm really excited about this one. I need y'all to let me know what y'all think in the comments below. But it's still drying. Resin takes at least 24 to 48 hours to dry, and I'm gonna have this sit overnight. Hopefully it dries by the morning so that I can ship it out, because I want to have this case out by, you know, like Friday. But let's go ahead and tear back the plastic. The reason why I'm gonna tear back the plastic now, y'all, is because I don't want the resin to be stuck to the plastic and then it'd be hard to come off, just like how it just happened. And I don't want it to leave like a stain. And I see that it's a bubble right here, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this. Y'all, turn it off for 1 second. It's a bubble right here. I'm gonna see if I can pop it. Okay, I was able to pop it. Woo. And I already pulled back the plastic off the Nike, so I just gotta pull back the paper off of his name. And let's hope I don't have to do anything, you guys. I hope that I can get it off. Please, just come off easily. Come off easily. Hey, there you have it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you like and subscribe and leave those comments down below. Y'all, I'm feeling this. So y'all already know, click that link, go to the website www.designs.by.myc.com. You already know, and head over to my Instagram, designs.by.myc, and give your girl a follow. Also on TikTok, everything will be linked in the description box below, y'all. But yeah, until the next video, bye bye.